Good morning. Today I'm going to demonstrate using the Mini 8 punch. We're going to be creating a 6-inch doily. To begin with, cut your copy paper, cardstock, whatever kind of paper you decide to use, into a 6-inch square. Begin by inserting the corner into the punch. Just make sure it lines up there. And begin punching. We're going to go around and do this to all 4 corners. Okay, when you've completed all 4 corners, I like to clean out the machine. So just go ahead and make sure you don't have any loose ends in there. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and just flip that paper right over and do the same with the other 4 corners. And I'm just going to clean out my machine a little bit. And just go ahead and trim it up. Mine, I have a little corner left off there, but we'll just fix it really quickly. And that was because I just estimated my 6 inches rather than make it a perfect 6 inches. But there you have it, a doily.